Hello friends, welcome to our channel Knowledge Amplifier, and in my this particular video I am going to show you how you can use this straight line to form a curved shape. Okay, so first let us check the animation. Okay, so you can see in figure window only straight lines are plotted one at a time, and just consider the inner surface of our this particular figure. Okay, so see here this complete figure, you have just now seen the animation that it is formed using only straight line, but if you consider the inner surface it is looking completely like one curved shape. So how this is happening? This is just one kind of illusion, you can say. Okay, we are interested to draw this kind of structure, so what we need to know? We need to know the pattern of this straight line. Okay, so to draw this straight line we require 2 points. You just check the pattern of 2 points. Here I have opened the notepad to load the values of x and y coordinate. See, initial one starting from 0 0 going to 10 comma 0. Okay, I am writing the coordinate points, okay, of the straight line. First one is 0 0 and next one is 10 0, that is x-axis is 10, y-axis is 0. Next line is coming from this point, that is corresponding to 1 0, and it is going to 10 1. Okay, all right, 1 0 and then 10 1. Okay, all right, then next point 2 0 up to it is going to 10 2. Okay, 2 0 10 2. Okay, then next one 3 0 to 10 3. Okay, 3 0 to 10 3, and so on it is going. Okay, so there are total actually 10 straight lines. If you check, like, you can go like this. So the general pattern is following I 0, where I is keep on incrementing, and next is n, that is number of straight line, and see next variable is also I, because this particular y coordinate is also keep on increasing like I. So we can use this particular coordinate for plotting our this particular figure. So that's what I have done here. Okay, you can see that here what I have written. Now this is one xy coordinate, this is one xy coordinate. So when you want to plot the figure window one straight line, give all the x coordinates together in, and give all the y coordinates respectively together. So this will form one straight line where one point is I0, another point is ni, right? So that's what I have written here. CLC clear all closure warning of n equal to 10. Hold on. For I equal to 0 to n, plot I n 0 I magenta color. Pause 1 for animation. Hold on. Axis square end. So I can increase the n value up to 100, and instead of pause 1 I can give draw now. Okay, to check the animation in a very beautiful way. You can see how fast we have got, and see the accuracy level of the inner curved surface. If you just show someone who don't know, he or she will be telling, okay, this is formed using original circle, not straight line. This is not possible, right? So this is the beauty of signals and straight lines, functions, curves. Okay, and now let us make it bit more, extend the same concept bit more, and try to complete the whole figure. So if we want to make the complete circle, so what we can do, we can take the reflection of the same figure with respect to this particular y-axis, and we can get the left hand side. So taking reflection with respect to y-axis is quite simple. Just what I need to do, I need to basically change the x coordinate. So I am, instead of x, I am using minus x. That's all. Now let us check. See, this is the right hand side and this is the left hand side, completely perfectly working. Now the upper part we need to do. So what we do, we have to take now reversal with respect to x-axis. Okay, because we need to revert this particular same figure and want to reflect same in the upper part also. So what we can do, we can just copy the same, okay, and then paste it here. Now what we will do, we will change the y coordinate, we will put minus and minus here. Now let us check the animation. Okay, so this is our right hand side, this is bottom left part, and now, oh no, we are not getting the correct, because our expectation it is this should appear on the top of 100. Okay, so we need to scale this particular lower part above. Okay, so minus 100 to 100 we need to go, so we will scale by 200. Okay, so we'll be writing 200, we'll be adding 200 with our y coordinate for the last two for loops. That's all. Now let's hope that our code should work. Let us check. If it does not work, we will do some modification. No, it's perfectly working, as you can see. Okay, our project has successfully implemented, and you can see using only straight line how beautifully we have came up with one circular shape. Now you can change, if you want, you can change the color also and play with this. Maybe I can make this as green color, and maybe the second and fourth one I can make this that as green color, and we can check something change, some color change here. See, all right, maybe I can change, keep this as magenta only and keep this as green to see the effect in the corner part. Okay, so now if I run the code, see, now different color is appearing in the corner side. Okay, like this you can play. So I hope you have understood the concept how you can form a circular shape or curved shape using straight line. This is all for my this video. Thank you for watching.